beautiful morning at the beach. Welcome to my short in the north of Morocco, and the best way to start is sunrise at the beach. I'm loving it. It's one of the most beautiful sunrises I've ever seen. It's Moroccan Swiss. Visit. It's gorgeous. The north is gorgeous. The coast. We have a beautiful country. Oh, it's breakfast time with my friend, Moroccan friend Nauras, and her name is Awesome, and it means
it is the albatross. It's the bird.
So we're about to have a superb Moroccan breakfast. Bon appetit with great Moroccan tea. So that's one of my favorite things. It's eggs with dried Moroccan meat. It's called clair. Best way to catch bees with honey. I am standing in front of my brother pop-up summer restaurant. It's called Espacio. Super good. If you come to Casablanca, you should definitely check it out.